World's tallest woman takes her first plane flight after airline removes 6 economy seats to make it possible. Wow. I wonder how much they charge her. There's a picture of her here. 24-year-old Turkish woman, Rumeysa Gelgi, who stands 6 feet 0.7 inches tall, has been confirmed as the world's tallest living woman by Guinness World Records, is seen in front of her house in Karabük, Turkey. This was back October 14. So the world's tallest woman was able to take her first flight after an airline removed 6 seats for her. Rumeysa Gelgi, who is 7 feet tall, flew from Istanbul, Turkey to San Francisco. Turkish Airlines modified a plane to allow Gelgi to lie on a stretcher for the 13-hour flight. The world's tallest woman could fly on a plane for the first time after the airline removed 6 economy seats to accommodate her. Rumeysa Gelgi, who stands 7 feet 0.7 inches tall, was named the world's tallest woman by Guinness World Records last year. Turkish Airlines adopted one of their planes to allow her to travel to San Francisco in September, removing 6 seats and replacing them with a special stretcher for her to travel on the 13-hour flight, MailOnline reported. Gelgi, 24, had never previously been able to travel on a plane due to her stature, caused by a condition called Weaver syndrome that causes bone overgrowth, among other things. Even as a child, she was too large to fit in plane seats, according to the outlet. She typically uses a wheelchair or walker to move around due to her condition. Gelgi shared a series of images of herself on the journey on Instagram and said that it was a flawless journey from start to finish. So there's a picture of her there. Let's see, I think there could be more pictures. Turkish Airlines flight attendant. Yeah. Wow. So she has to lie there for 13 hours? That sounds kind of incredible. That's a long flight. I did one from New York to the Philippines. That was like a little over 16 hours. Flying from JFK to Manila. Very, very long. Probably got up and used the toilet maybe a couple times. It's all right there. There. Wow. You know, in a way she looks like some kind of a made-up character, her face. It's like, I don't know. There's something about how it looks that doesn't seem real, you know? Like something you see in a show. This was my first flight, but it certainly won't be the last. From now on, I'll be very honored and happy to fly to different parts of the world with Turkish Airlines. Maybe this is a publicity stunt for Turkish Airlines. A heartfelt thank you to every single person involved in my journey, she wrote. Gelgi went to California to spend time advancing her career in software development and working with Guinness World Records for the MailOnline. Gelgi won her first Guinness World Record in 2014 when she was recognized as the world's tallest living teenager, before officially becoming the world's tallest woman in 2021. She also holds the record for being the woman with the largest hands, longest finger, and longest back in the world. And that's the end of the story. Well, I don't know. I hope she enjoyed San Francisco, because I was there once to San Francisco. I think in 1997, a long time ago. Never went back. There were so many beggars. I don't know how it is now, but it's like everywhere you walk, you know, you go in a store, people begging. And there was like an Indian guy in one of the stores I went into, and I said to him, I said, what's wrong with these people? Why are there so many beggars here? I said, these people from America, they born here, you know? You see people come up from the border, because I was in California, come up south of the border to America to find work. And these people are living here and they're just begging and bothering people. Yeah. And he told me that's how it is over there. It's really a shame. There are other places I've been to and I've gone back to, you know, a number of times. Like Bangkok, Cebu, Manila. Yeah. Several places I've gone back to, but I'm never going back to San Francisco. it just, all the begging and, you know, the crazy stuff just kind of like turned me off. Also, in San Francisco, it was in August when I went there. And it's strange, the weather there is cool, you know. In the day it's okay, but once you hit the evening time, you need a jacket. You need a jacket. I think, who was it that said, Mark Twain said, the coldest winter I ever spent was a summer in San Francisco.